Welcome back to the vlogs. As you've noticed, I have no more hair. The hair is gone, but it'll grow back. I'm just trying to reset my part, and she cut the line a little too low, so next time I go back, you can't even see it really. You can kind of see it. Anyways, we're here in Oregon, Milwaukee Bowl. Dave Husted's other bowling center, Wood Lanes. It's a different experience, and I made a mistake. I brought a bowling ball that I can't throw this weekend. The brand new Night Road. It's not approved yet, so I have 5 bowling balls. I've got a Pitch Black, a Reality, Phase 2, UFO Alert, and a Hustle Inc. So there's that. I just got back from Team USA trials, or not trials, Team USA camp. It was a really good week, and it was amazing because all of us are about the same age, about the same point in our careers. Obviously, some guys have more titles than others. Some guys don't have titles yet. But there were no egos. It was crazy how much you can learn, and when everyone's on the same page, wanting the same thing, just getting along and sharing that same goal of improving and wanting to win gold medals together, that was a really special feeling. And my favorite part of the week was just hanging out with the guys and growing and getting to know each other better. Nothing to do with bowling really, but I think it's a really cool team, and if we can keep these same guys on the team moving forward, I mean, obviously I'd love to be on Team USA for a long time and represent, but I think we're in a good place right now. I think the culture is where it needs to be. But anyways, we're back for another regional this weekend. We are leading the points in the Northwest. That's not something we can think about though, so we're just gonna bowl and see how the weekend turns out. But just finished bowling Pro-Am. Got practice session coming up soon. Pokemon is back at McDonald's, so we might go to McDonald's to get some Happy Meals. But stay tuned, I'm gonna give you a breakdown on practice session today. So I'm doing this new thing. I'm gonna be journaling while I bowl, tracking how many shots I throw well, how I'm feeling, basically just information so I can look at it after, and then I'll obviously take the good, see what I did well, do that again, and then whatever I can do better based on my notes, at least I have the information, and then we'll see how it goes throughout time. And Kyle's Player of the Year he did that and he stopped doing it, but he bowled really well the year he was journaling, so I figured if that helped him, I might as well try. Cool thing about Team USA is we learn things from each other and we can try new things, and hopefully these things work, but if they don't, then at least we tried, right? But there's a lot of value in picking up on things that other people are doing that you can very well control, so I'm going to try it out this week, and I'm probably going to try to stick to it for the rest of my career. Well, if I were to drill, if there's the truck, this was a tour stop, I'd definitely be drilling. A couple of pin down balls, probably a somewhat clean big ASIM, maybe like a UFO Alert that we don't have anymore, but something along the lines of that. And then I'd probably do a down IQ, the original. My pin up balls are forcing me too far left. They're getting offline too fast, and I don't think the wood is helping. That's also forcing me left. So urethane in the track is probably going to be very strong tomorrow. And if it's not, I'm not really sure what we're going to do. I do have a pin down Reality, but the mass bias is in a strong position, so it gets it offline a little too fast. So we'll see, but the urethane ball looks pretty good. Okay, so A squad, I'm actually feeling pretty good. Team USA camp, got up at 7:45 every day, and now I'm back on Pacific Standard Time. So waking up at 6:30 wasn't really an issue. Started meditating at night to try to sleep better, and just running through my checklist. We're using this app called Habit Share. This is not an ad whatsoever. I just think that it's a pretty cool tool and resource to use if you want to stay on schedule and build a strong process. So I've been using that with the boys, and I've been recommending it to a lot of my friends. it's been working pretty good so far. So if you're interested, just check it out. It's called Habit Share, one word, in the App Store. But anyways, today we're bowling 8 games of qualifying, back on the wood, 40 feet, Don Johnson pattern. The only ball that looked somewhat decent was urethane, so pitch black. Hopefully it's still in play. Other than that, I liked it towards the cleaner balls, the rounder balls, UFO Alert, Hustle Inc. for practice session. The stronger balls just didn't quite want to get through it, but they were surprisingly not very round. So if my balls are going to shape the same, I would rather go for the cleaner options because it's wood. Just gonna have to wait and see how it goes.
Alright, 20 over after 2. Botched the first game, 210 to the 10th. It's alright, pulled 230. And then I punched out for 180. We walled the first pair, just played to the right for like 6 minutes in practice, so they were kind of easy. Next pair, I don't think they did that. Overall, I mean, there are some big scores, but not super high scoring. I'm gonna try to throw urethane for as long as possible. Honestly, just gotta get to that top 4 for a bye, and then it doesn't really matter after that. But I think the next few pairs, I mean, we're making the turn now on 1 and 2, and they should have hooked more and earlier. I took a lot of notes, so hopefully the notes pay off. So far, so good though.
Okay, we're all done. I think I should be 3rd on the squad at plus 204. When you got it, you got it. And I didn't really have it, but the guys that bowled well had it a little more than I did. I bowled 520 the last 2, slow hooking the urethane ball. I don't know how much earlier I should have done that, but I'm glad I did. I'm in a good position. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hang on for a top 4 spot, but I'm making the cut. We'll be bowling tomorrow. No matter what happens, we'll be ready. Alright, so here's the situation. Only one person can pass me on this squad. In order to get a bye, they have to go, well, 2 people have to beat 204 over. Gary seems to think that I'm good. I'm feeling pretty good about that too. They weren't super easy, but we'll see. You never know. We're gonna help out the Big Sweaty. He was on the cam earlier, so if the camera work was really bad, blame him. Say, boo Big Sweaty in the comments or something. I don't know. So there's a couple of guys that are close. Camtron, Cameron Weir, and Giorgio. Giorgio just split. He can pull 230 this game with 3 frames to go. That'll get him to 160 over. So you need 240 and change to pass me. Camtron's currently 120 and change over, and he can pull 270 with 3 frames to go. I need one of them. Only one can go ahead of me.
That guy right there, man. Tang right there, man. Number 1. Tang's number 1.
Hopefully after tomorrow.
Huh?
That would be cool.
Yeah, and I better wake up early tomorrow. Like I missed it today. I don't want to miss it anymore. You got to watch this guy though. He's awesome.
We start at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll watch Tang tomorrow.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.
All right, standings are up with 1 to go. Camtron needs 218 exactly to pass me. And we were right, Giorgio needs 260. So, the odds are in our favor, but you just never know. Giorgio started with spare. He can only miss 1 more time. So we might be okay. Camtron is the front 3. He's like one of the best part-time bowlers I know. Doesn't practice. But he's really good. Has a tour title. So yeah. Alright, that's gonna do it. We're gonna be bowling in the round of 8 tomorrow. We get a 1-round bye. We start, I don't know what time we start, but it is a bracket. We gotta win 3 matches for the title. So I'm looking forward to it. The big sweaty's in. Yeah. The camera crew's in. So we're gonna rest up for the rest of the night. It was a pretty solid day, and coming back tomorrow and probably throwing the black ball.